Welcome. Today we are going to see about an interesting website. This website is useful for YouTube enthusiasts who wants to create a profile in YouTube and become a content creator. Pictory. This website is useful for students and newly entered YouTube creators. You can create an account using your Gmail or Facebook accounts. Let's get started. Pictory.AI provides you a variety of useful features. You have features such as script to video, article to video, edit videos using text, visuals to video. The services offered by Pictory are mostly free for first 3 to 4 projects. You can upgrade to appropriate plans to enjoy the complete features of the website. You can choose plans that are suitable for you. We have created some videos from our script which are available for free. For quick demonstration of Pictory.AI, let's look about text to video feature which is so useful for free content creators. Let's give a title, ASMR, and paste some script related to it. Remember, the length of the video depends on the length of the scripts. Click on Proceed. It will display templates to display the text of the script in the screen. You can choose if you don't need to show the text. Select the correct aspect ratio and click Continue. It takes some time to generate the visuals based on the script test you have provided. If you want to specifically get a visual for a keyword, you can highlight those words using the highlighter tools. There you go. You got the video generated from the text you have provided. Remember, the visuals will be generated by the AI based on the words from every line or the words you have highlighted. You can choose between the right visuals. You can see the list of slides created below. You can align the text field anywhere you want, or you can delete that. You can choose the right audio from the list of audios available. You can choose the right audio based on the mood, content and visuals. Create a title intro by using the available designs. You can pick a voiceover for the content displayed in your screen. There are many voices available. You can choose any one of them and apply. Use the preview option to play a slide to view the changes. Click on Generate and choose Video to export your project. This process will take some time based on the file size. Our free limit has reached its end. We have already downloaded a project and we will share in the description. Please check that. Once the video is downloaded, go to your channel. Or create one if you are new using your Gmail account. Upload your video and follow the steps and guidelines, and there you go. Please like this video and subscribe to Infinity Cube channel for more useful website information and lifestyle videos.